None of us thought it would end the way it did. We all figured it'd be some sort of social collapse or nuclear war. Hell, in hindsight, even zombies seemed more reasonable. But when the squashers rose up, hell, none of us were prepared for that one. No one's quite sure how it happened, whether it's science gone wrong or some sort of black magic. I think my cat might have been involved. He was always a shifty little bastard. But regardless of how it started, they're here and we're forced to fight them. A good blade is an effective way to kill them. Or perhaps some sort of blunt object. You can stop now. But one of the best ways is some sort of gun. If you can find the ammo. Now, everyone does what they can to survive, hiding from both squashes and people alike. I'm not sure which is worse. The squashers will eat the meat right off your bones, and the people, well, they'll just kill you for whatever might be in your pockets. As for me, I spend most of my time scavenging and raiding small groups of people. Individuals if I can. You don't really have to convince them that there's more of you. What do we have here? Looks like the squashers got to him. Poor bastard. Not a fun way to go. Looks like he's been here a while. No one must have been through here in a long time. Oh well, I won't say no to free stuff. Guess I'm back on the road. I could really go for some tacos right about now.